before the panel session. The Honorable Judge Oak presiding. You may be seated.
Court has been advised that we have a verdict. Are we ready for the jury?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mullins, go get the jury. You may be seated. Who has been selected as the foreperson for our jury?
I have.
All right, ma'am, has the jury reached a verdict in the case?
We have.
Without disclosing the nature of the verdict, were you able to follow, was everybody able to follow my instructions while you were deliberating?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to remain free from any outside contact, communication, or influence during the deliberation process?
Yes, sir.
All right, please hand the verdict forms to Mr. Mullins. In advance of the reading of the verdict, I want to thank each of you for your service. After this, you will be discharged from your service. You'll be returned to the jury room, reunited with your electronic devices. I have a couple of minutes that I would like to talk to you, and then we will get you on your way. You will be able to speak with anybody about the case that you would like, but you are not required to do so. Whether you decide to speak to anybody is a matter of your own free choice. Would the defendant please rise? With regard to count one, we, the jury in the above captioned case, find the defendant, Brooke Schuyler Richardson, not guilty of the offense of aggravated murder, and there appear to be 12 jury signatures affixed. Verdict form 2, involuntary manslaughter. We, the jury in the above captioned case, do hereby find the defendant, Brooke Schuyler Richardson, not guilty of the offense of involuntary manslaughter. Count 3, child endangerment. We, the jury, find the defendant, Brooke Schuyler Richardson, not guilty of child endangerment. It does say we further find the defendant did not cause serious physical harm to the alleged victim, but that finding is not necessary as a matter of law. Verdict form number 4, we, the jury in the above captioned case, find the defendant, Brooke Schuyler Richardson, guilty of the offense of abuse of a corpse. Ladies and gentlemen, are those the verdicts of the jury?
Yes, sir.
You may be seated. All right, again, you are now discharged from all your service. Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you will now be returned to the jury room. Thank you for your service. Mr. Mullins is going to give you back your phones and such, and I will see you in a couple of minutes. You may be seated. We are on the record outside the presence of the jury. Anything additional from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything additional from the defense?
No, Judge.
The court will order that the verdict forms be filed. I will draft an entry accepting the verdict forms. I'm going to set this matter for sentencing tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I will order a pre-sentence investigation between now and then. So court services will conduct a pre-sentence investigation. They can tell me that they can get that done between now and tomorrow. Bail for the defendant is hereby revoked pending sentencing. We'll see everybody tomorrow at 11 o'clock. That's all.
All rise. Court's in recess.